Good morning and Sairam all the students. I welcome you all. Children, today in drawing we will make landscape in soft pastel colors. So let's start. We will first make a rough sketch of melting moon before we start painting, which I have already made. Now we will cut it. For this sketch, I have used A4 sheet, but you can use any other paper also. Now we will paste this cutout in our drawing sheet, and to paste this I am using glue stick. We will paste this cutout in such a way that we can easily remove it after our drawing is complete. After applying the glue, we will stick it in our drawing sheet and press it well so that the cutout does not come out while coloring. Just like moon sketch, I have made a rough sketch for clouds here. Now I will cut it as well. Once again, I am using this glue stick so that I can paste this cutout in my drawing sheet. Now keep in mind that we are using glue stick so that we can remove these cutouts after completing our drawing. First of all, I am spreading the light blue color in a line above the clouds. Now slowly I will start mixing the color, and where the cutout of the moon and clouds are pasted, mix the color carefully there. You can also make this painting in oil pastel colors. If the color seems less, then you can use more color. After mixing the light blue color, now I will spread the medium blue color in line, and then I will start mixing this color. While mixing, make sure that the cutout you have pasted does not come out, so mix the color carefully. If the color seems less, then you can use more color. After mixing the medium blue color, now I will start spreading the blue color in line and then I will start mixing this color. While mixing, make sure that the cutout you have pasted does not come out, so mix the color very carefully. Now after mixing blue color, I am going to spread purple color and like rest of the colors, I will mix this color also. And spread this color in the rest of the blank space. Be careful while mixing color. You can see I am also doing color mixing in the line, and in the same way you also have to do color mixing. Now once again we will start mixing color with clean hands. While mixing we will move from light color to dark color so that the space between them can be covered. I am mixing these colors with each other so that no difference between shades of color can be seen. You can see in the video that I am moving up and down while mixing colors. Now here also I am applying the same process. While doing color mixing, I am moving my hand up and down. Now I am using blue and light blue color here so that this color can mix well with each other. Now here I am spreading purple color over blue color so that we can see a little shading of purple color in blue color. Now after spreading purple color, mix it well. Now I have turned this paper upside down and here we will use dark blue color. Mix well after applying the color. Now I am using white color and I am making small lines anywhere and then I will mix these lines. Same thing I am doing with light blue and dark blue color. In light blue color also I am using medium blue color. Now we will remove the cloud cutout that we have pasted before. Now we will give shades of blue, white and purple color to the clouds. Now here in the sky I am using white color to make clouds, and for that I am just drawing outline of clouds and then I will color it. After drawing outline for clouds one by one, I will smudge these lines inside of clouds. If you want to make more clouds, then you can make. After smudging white color line of clouds, now I am using dark blue color powder and then I will mix it with white color. Now in the same way I am using medium blue color also. Similarly, we will color the rest of the clouds as well. I am adding more clouds here. To show clouds more colorful, I am using different shades of blue color. After drawing outline for cloud, smudge it inside of cloud. After coloring clouds, now we will remove that paper cutout paste of moon, and for the rest of the details we will use white poster color. To make a gift box, we will first cut a square of 15 cm from craft sheet. After cutting craft sheet, now we will mark 5 cm section on all sides. Now we will join the dot of these opposite sides together. Now we will mark 1 centimeter on both sides. Now we will join these dots as well. Now we will erase both these lines. Now we will join these two lines. Similarly, we will also join the remaining three sides. Now after joining the lines, we will cut it. Similarly, we will also cut the remaining sides. Now with the help of scale, we will fold this sheet one by one. Now after folding all sides, let's paste it. After pasting glue, let the box dry for a while. And now I am marking rectangle in another craft sheet whose sides are 22 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and after measuring it I will cut it. Now mark 5 centimeter from long side and join these dots. Now we will divide this 22 centimeter long side into a 5.2 centimeter section. Similarly, we will also mark its opposite side. Now we will join the dots of these opposite sides together. Now I am drawing a line of V shape here which we will cut later. Now let's cut this line which we have marked. Now with the help of the scale we will fold this sheet one by one. Now after folding this craft sheet properly, let's paste it. See how I am pasting the bottom area of this box. After applying the glue well, now let the box dry for a while. Now that both boxes are ready, let's see how it will close. The first box we made, we will now pierce it with scissors and put a ribbon inside it with the help of pencil. You can take help from your elders to pierce this box. After putting the ribbon inside the box, we will tie the ribbon well so that the ribbon does not come out of the box. Our gift box is ready. You can decorate it as you like.